if you guys are scared to upgrade your SSDs for the PlayStation 5, let me tell you something. It's not hard at all. Look at this. I got all this space now, and I don't have to worry about switching out games and deleting them and uploading new or downloading new games and stuff. It's really, really easy. Okay, look at this. All you need is an M.2 SSD storage. Look on Amazon, they sell one. I think the one I got was for $109, and I bought a heatsink that was like an additional $15. So I mean, heatsink wasn't hard to install either. So just try it out. Look on the PlayStation official YouTube page. They have instructions on how to install it. Again, it's not hard. Try it out.